Hello everyone. So yes, again a few things going on. Got the lovely fence up behind us now, but as you can see, the white cloth behind me, I've started to seed and put grass seed down, so we have a nice area with some lovely grass which will hopefully grow in this climate. But I've been watering it every day. So far, I put it down 2 days ago in this area, and then to the left of me or right of me there, I've still got to do up that side. So we are going to grass right in front of what's going to be the patio area there, and then in the front, and then it will go right back and round kind of the largest area of the land of the house. So yeah, it's kind of exciting because being an Englishman, we like our grass lawns. So we've opted for some seed that hopefully should start to germinate in about 5 to 7 days. There's been some good reports. I'm just hoping the soil quality is going to be good enough. But it'd be a nice area to lie on, the kids to play on. So yeah, that's rather exciting. I quite like gardening, and Yuliya does as well. So we are going to landscape the garden over the end of this year into next year. So 1 or 2 years, we should have a lovely garden growing here. Hopefully no more floods, but we'll do our best. And another thing is, today we've hopefully got the kitchen being installed. So I'll take some footage of that throughout the week and show you the progress of the kitchen being installed. So that's one of the final stages of inside as well. But as usual, I'll flip the camera around, I'll show you the area that I've started to seed and what area we're going to do, and then I'll show you the progress over the next couple of weeks of the grass growing, because it's quite interesting. It's always nice to see new grass germinating and growing. And then I'll have to invest in a lawnmower then as well. But again, let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, share. I'll put this video up on RuTube as well. I'll put all the links in the description and on our Telegram channel. So if you're not subscribed to our Telegram, make sure you do. We're almost up to 900 subscribers on there. It'd be nice to get to 1,000. And the channel's still steadily growing. That's YouTube, and all our videos are going to be on RuTube as well. So lots going on, and then just some more exciting videos in the future. But I'm going to continue doing the house restoration or house repair until we finish that. So enjoy. Thank you. So I'll start in the back of the house. Obviously we've got the patio area with a roof that's going to go on. That's what the metal poles are for there. All the concrete's done, the steps are done. It's just going to be tile. But that's why we've started to seed this area, because it'll be a nice area, especially with grass to lie on, to play on, to put maybe a paddling pool or something in the summer for the kids. So this area, this side, is going to be grass, like I said. So that's been down 2 days. Been watering it every day, 2 times a day. And then I am going to put grass seed right the way down here as well, because it would be a lovely area for the boys to play. And then there is going to be a little bit at the front there as well, where the sheet has gone down as well. I'll show you that in a minute. I'll just walk around the other way. But this side we're going to use for nice flowers and vegetables and things like that. It gets quite a bit of sun this side. Works out the fence doesn't shade it too much. And again, down this side we'll put leafy greens, strawberries, things that will grow in a little bit of a shaded area. It does get sun in the morning, and when it comes around in the afternoon, but it gets a bit shady as the sun comes round here. So I've got this fence to go up, waiting on the material that should be arriving next week. But we've already got lettuce growing and strawberries and a few other herbs. But it'll be herbs, leafy greens and vegetables that grow in kind of shady condition. But we're used to growing vegetables and flowers and fruit trees and everything like that. We had quite a nice garden in the UK. Put a lot of effort into it. So myself and Yuliya really like to do a bit of gardening. So yeah, it'd be just really interesting to see what grows, what works. As we dig over, I'm filling in this bit with soil as well, because it's quite high here on the path, but it's really good soil here. This luckily didn't wash away too much in the floods, so it was really good black soil that was put here, as you can see. So yeah, it's going to be really good. And then the corner there, I know it's a bit of a mess, but I'm going to chop that wood up, because that'll be my area for chopping wood for the log burner and things like that. And then, as you can see, I've started to do that. But yeah, it's quite a space. It's not the biggest garden in the world, but it's not the smallest. It's enough for a family to enjoy, with privacy and barbecue areas, and yeah, just lots of things to do. And also we've got, you know, water, so it's relatively easy. And then a few of you picked up on in the comments that the sheeting is going to go the other side of the neighbours. We decided on that rather than having to pay double for the sheet, so it's going to be the same colour sheeting both sides as what's gone on there. It's not going to be like the other side, so it'll match. But we decided the sheet to go on the neighbour's side, because it might be quite handy to use, you know, poles and you know, the metal poles, tying things to it as you grow in. So it also makes it a little bit bigger, because the leaf, or the sheet as we call it, will be on the other side, so can still kind of utilize the concrete foundation, which will be handy, especially because we're going to be using this area for growing vegetables and things like that. So that's why we went for that, and it did save us money rather than paying double for metal sheeting. And I've still got to do the front. The guys have got it all worked out with the electrics and what we're doing with the gate. So yeah, concrete there, that is going to be for the shed. And as you can see just here as well, we've going to grass seed pretty much to where I've done now, and just to there. And then this is going to be a nice flower bed area that Yuliya started to dig over. So yeah, as you can see, it's not a bad space we've actually got. And then obviously all of this will be grassed as well. I've just got to rake it over a little bit, just hoping the soil quality is good enough. But yes, it's quite a lot of soil under there. There's black soil, and then we just got some further topsoil as well, but it looks a bit brown because it's so dry. We've had such good weather lately. It's a bit cooler today, but it's going to go warmer again towards the end of the week, for about the next 10 days, and then I think it goes cooler again. So yeah, just trying to get the grass seed down best I can, and then yeah, we will dig over this area and plant more flowers and things like that. So yeah, that's where we're up to. A little bit messy at the moment, but we'll get there. Thank you.